Hey friends, it's Len down at 1A Auto. Today we're going to be working on an armrest on a 2010 Nissan Altima. It's going to be a fairly simple job. We're going to use some basic tools. I want to be the guy that shows you how to do it. I'm going to take something as simple as this. We could even go with something a little thinner if we wanted, or if you didn't have access to these, you could use something like a screwdriver. You just want to be careful not to chisel up your stuff too much. I went with plastic. Seems to make the most sense. We'll look at our new one. This is the new. You can see that there's some clips. There's one right here. Then there's some smaller ones that just go down the line around the outer edge. So what I want to do is I want to try to start with this big one. So I'll be coming in from this side, trying to pry up. Once I get this popped out, this should all just come right out. So I'm just going to go right here. See about lifting this up. Okay, it's starting. I'm just going to go around the side here. That's the reason why I went with plastic over metal. I'd like to damage the door as little as possible. I'm just going to grab on, try lifting. There we are. Got all this out. Take a look in here. If you wanted to, you can try to clean this up a little bit. We don't have to worry too much about it. We'll do a little comparison. Dirty, new. We got all the same clips. This looks great. I don't see any reason why we shouldn't put it in. Let's do it. Just gonna come over here. We're gonna line up all these clips with all these holes. Okay? This one's the most important. It's gonna go in there. So I'm just gonna set it up, get everything so it seems like it's pretty lined up. I'm gonna give it a little bonk, okay? There we are. Just check along the edges, make sure it's pushed down. Looks good. All right, everybody. Now we've completed our service on this 2010 Nissan Altima. If you need this or any other instructional video, check us out, okay?
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.